Many women over 45 live with symptoms that seem normal but are actually clear signs of inflammation in the gut. Today, I will explain, in a simple way, 5 signals that show something in your gut is not working well. The first sign is constant bloating. Even when you eat very little, your belly becomes swollen by the end of the day. Many mature women feel this heaviness and think it's just fluid retention, but often it's an inflamed gut producing excess gas and fermentation. The second sign is low energy. Gut inflammation reduces nutrient absorption, and that's why women between 45 and 65 often feel tired every day without a clear reason. You wake up tired, spend the day without energy, and think it's just age, but it can be an overloaded gut. The third sign is irregular digestion. Frequent constipation or episodes of diarrhea indicate an imbalanced gut flora. When the microbiome is not healthy, the gut becomes irritated and doesn't work in a stable rhythm. The fourth sign is increased sensitivity to common foods. Foods that used to be normal begin to cause discomfort, swelling, or a heavy sensation. This happens because the gut lining becomes more sensitive when inflammation is present. The fifth sign appears on the skin. Many mature women notice light acne, dark spots, itchiness, redness, or rough texture. This skin reflects the condition of the gut, and when the gut is inflamed, these changes show up on the face and body. If you notice 2 or more of these signs, it's worth taking care of your gut flora. Healthy habits help, such as improving your diet and using natural probiotics. Many women use PrimeBiome because it combines probiotics and prebiotics that help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and increase energy naturally. If you want to learn more about this formula, I left a link in the description. Taking care of your gut can transform your digestion, your skin, and your energy. Subscribe for more simple content about natural health and well-being after 40.